Hey everyone! If Google Chrome keeps opening random websites or redirecting you to unwanted pages, here's how to fix it. Before we start, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's begin. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Open Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure websites are not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirects. Then go back. Click Safety Check. Run the safety check and install any security updates Chrome recommends. After that, open Extensions. Remove any extension you don't recognize or no longer use, since unwanted extensions can also cause redirects. Finally, restart Google Chrome and check if the problem is fixed. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hey everyone!